Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about lines and polyline in AutoCAD. Lines and polyline are very essential tools that will form the foundation of all drawings you will be drawing in AutoCAD. To begin drawing a line, you type line, L-I-N-E. Alternatively, you can click on the tool on the left on the drawing panel, line. So you click on that line and then click enter. Then it will ask you to specify the first point. You specify on the screen the first point, and then you move your mouse to the right or to the left, depending on the direction that you want to move your mouse or your drawing. You move your mouse to the right or to the left. Then you click on that point. It will draw a line. You can also make a shape by drawing the line consecutive lines, different lines to form a shape. Let's say, for example, to form a rectangle like that. You can zoom in and then ensure it is perfect. After finishing drawing all your lines, you just type enter. Then your drawing will be line. Drawing a polyline, on the other hand, you type P-L-I-L-I-N-E. Alternatively, there is a polyline on the left panel, drawing panel, you'll have polyline. Then you type polyline, you click on polyline, and then you draw your line similar to how you draw the line. Let's say we want to draw that line that way. Then that is our shape, the polyline. So one could ask himself or ask herself, what is the difference between a line and a polyline? If you check the line, each segment is created as separate objects. But for polyline, all the different segments acts as one object. So you need to know exactly when to use the polyline and when to use line. When using a continuous feature, such as a road or a boundary, ensure that you use polyline. Or when you use a discrete feature, ensure that you use the line. The good thing is that you can be able to switch from line to polyline whenever you want. Okay? If you want to convert line to polyline, you type J for join and then enter. Then you select the objects that you want to join. These are the different line segments. Then after selecting the lines, you click enter. Same on polyline. So if you check this, it have transformed to a polyline. On the other hand, if you want to transform the polyline to line, you just type X for explode. And then you highlight by clicking on the mouse down, and then you draw, you click on the mouse once, then you move to form a rectangle to highlight the entire drawing, which we want to transform to lines. Then you click mouse once on the left, then you type enter. Then your polyline will transform into separate segments for polyline. So this is very important because for polyline, you can easily do other functions easily. For example, if you want to move this object, you just highlight it once and then you click move. Then you move your drawing faster. Unlike this one, you'll have to select the different uh, lines so that you can be able to move them once. So that is the good thing with polyline. Ensure you know the right time to use each. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one and kindly subscribe to the channel. Bye.